Welcome to the first ever giveaway from Phrozen and FEPshop. In this giveaway, you have a chance to win a Phrozen Sonic Mighty 4K. Now I can hear you think, what do I have to do to win a Phrozen Sonic Mighty 4K? You have to print something that is either related to the Netherlands, to Frozen, or to FEPshop. Next to that, it has to be with a product that we sell in FEPshop from the brand FEPshop or from Frozen. So for example, you can print a church, but make sure it is related to the Netherlands. Or maybe you want to print some tulips or the wooden shoes that we have in Holland. We call them klompen. And final, when you post a picture of the thing that you printed, the FEPshop logo has to be visible, because that is how you can participate. You post a picture on social media, either on Facebook or on Instagram, and you make the FEPshop logo visible. Next to that, please use the hashtag iwantfepshop. This is important and it has to be in your post. However, the Phrozen Sonic Mighty is not the only thing we are going to give away. Next to that, you also have the chance to win smaller prizes, which we are going to give away every 2 weeks. But please keep an eye on our socials to be updated for those. So, be creative and good luck!